Eliminex here. We got a open space area. We can release the skunk. He got cut this morning. He's probably not too happy. I have to like clamp this open. I need two hands. The guy go out. Hopefully he'll go out. Come on. Come on. There he goes. He's gonna go out soon. Starting to get a blizzard. Didn't anticipate this. Come on, guy. Sometimes you gotta prod them. Ah. Where's my glove? There he goes. There you go, little rascal. He's trying to find a break in the fence. All that's gotta do is go across the road over here. He's home free. Off he goes. There's a lake back there. There's an opening over there. See, he'll find it. He'll be good. Yeah, he found one. He found it already. So smart. Okay, take care.